Hey guys, if you want to charge your laptop or MacBook computer in your car, you can use the USB-C ports which are in the Tesla Model Y, but the problem might be that those ports don't deliver enough power. Well, I have a solution for you and I'll show you that just in a moment. So if I just plug this into one of the car's USB-C ports, and this laptop does have charging via the USB-C port, so I can plug this in here, but the laptop will show me a slow charger notification at first, and just in a few moments it will show me a notification that the charger needs to be at least 45 watts to charge. So it's actually, I think it's not charging at all because the charger is not meeting that 45 watt minimum requirement for this laptop. Fortunately, there is a solution for this. You can use one of these 100 watt car chargers from jowua, and this one has Type-C and USB-A dual output, and it says that output Type-C PD, so I guess that's USB-C power delivery. You have the different voltages here, and with 20 volts and 5 amps you get that 100 watt charging speed if your laptop is using that 20 watts voltage. Sorry, 20 volts voltage, yeah. And actually, if we check the Tesla manual, it doesn't specify how much the USB-C ports give out. This is a Tesla Model Y from 2023, but it does specify the low voltage power sockets. So these 12 volt sockets. The power socket is suitable for accessories requiring up to 12 amps of continuous draw. So if it's 12 volts times 12 amps, that's over 100 watts, so it's sufficient for this charger. I think some of the newer Tesla Model Ys might have sufficient output from the USB-C port directly, so then you won't need one of these chargers. So this is what the charger looks like. It's a solid build quality, and in the box you just get this charging brick, and you don't have any cables in it. So I just used the standard USB-C to USB-C cable which I had lying around and plugged it in here, and the other end goes into this socket here in the center console, just like this, and I'm going to leave this in here for usage whenever I need. And now we can plug the cable into the laptop's USB-C charging port. Again, we get this slow charger notification, but that's just because this laptop would like to have the original charger, which does output quite a bit more than 100 watts, but based on test usage, even though it's under that limit, which would not indicate slow charging for this laptop, it's still saying that the time to full charge is 23 minutes, so it is actually charging and you can use it perfectly fine for this use case. If you're interested in this jowua charger, I have links down below in the description for Amazon and also for jowua. From jowua you also get a discount with that link. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.